update Windows 11, go to the taskbar, then click on search. Then on the search for settings. Then open settings. Then come to update and security. Then click check for updates. Now Windows will automatically check for the updates, the things that you have not updated in your Windows. Now you are going to give it some time for it to finish checking for updates. As you can now see, it is downloading the update and installing them. So it's going to take a bit of time. We just give it time for it to finish. So as you can see, that was the only software that I needed to update on my Windows. But for you, you may have a lot of softwares to update. So you just need to give it time for it to finish. And once you've done that, your Windows will be up to date. As you can see now, you are up to date. So that's simply it, guys. That's how you can simply update your Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video.